Ruby Franke, a parenting YouTuber, enters a guilty plea in a case involving child abuse. In response to accusations of child abuse, a six-child Utah mother entered a guilty plea on Monday. She will serve time in prison for her attempts to persuade her two youngest children that they were evil, possessed, and in need of punishment in order to turn from their sins. Ruby Franke closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and stood shackled in her gray and white jail clothes. She then pleaded guilty to each of her first three charges. She repressed some emotion on the fourth and then uttered the words, "With my deepest regret and sorrow for my family and my children, guilty," following the acceptance of the plea deal, which included new information about the abuse the children experienced, including allegations that they were possessed. Judge John J. Walton set a sentencing date of February 20th. Franke consented to serve a prison sentence as part of the plea deal, and the sentences will be served consecutively. The judge would decide on the sentence. According to court records, Franke entered a not guilty plea to 2 additional counts and was taken back into custody following the hearing. If someone knowingly or intentionally causes serious physical harm to a child or allows another person to cause serious physical harm to a child, they may be charged with second-degree aggravated child abuse in Utah. A prison sentence of 1 to 15 years is imposed for each charge. In a statement released on Friday, Windward Law claimed that Franke was abused during the time she was under the influence of a relationship counselor who gave her a distorted sense of morality. In a statement, Windward Law described Ruby Franke as a devoted mother and a woman committed to constant improvement. Jody Hildebrandt, her co-defendant, had the insight to offer a path to continual improvement, according to Franke at first, but Hildebrandt took advantage of this quest and transformed it into something abhorrent.